Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and see my screen clearly. Today, I want us to start off with Euro USD. We already have it on our screen. I'm going to use these two indicators. These are custom indicators. We have the first one. It has a period of 5. And then you have the other one, which is normal moving average. This is 52 simple period moving average. We are going to use those two for analysis. So if you can check here, we have a downtrend. We have a downtrend on the 52 period moving average. Also the other indicator, we have red, which indicates a sell. So generally this is a very good downtrend. We are supposed to be looking for sell positions. Other than that, we do have a very good support here. We have a very good support right there. We expect the price to clearly descend and close below it. It is almost doing that. You can see that here. The price is almost closing below these two lines. If the price can successfully close below it, if the price breaks and closes below it, then we want to see another break below this point. This is 1.01269. We want to see the price break below it to push the price even lower, at least up to this point, which is 0.99625. So the idea here will be to sit and wait and see what happens from around this area. If the price bounces off from these two lines, then this will give us a good place to look for a buy from. But if the price breaks and closes below it, then we expect it to continue downwards, at least up to around 0.99625. I hope that makes sense. The next chart which I'd like us to have a look at, the next chart is GBP USD. So we are almost seeing the same thing on GBP USD. We are headed short. You can see the indicator showing us a sell, the moving average is showing us a sell, the other indicators are showing us a sell. We have a very good support here. This is where the price must break below for us to consider this as a sell continuation. So if the price descends and closes below these two lines, this will mean we are continuing short, at least up to this line here. If the price descends below that point, then the next target is this one. So basically we want to see the price descend below these two lines to continue downwards up to these two lines. If the price breaks below these two lines, then we do expect it to continue downwards, at least up to the next level, which is 1.17713. So basically this is where we're waiting for price to break below this point, these two lines, to continue short up to these two lines, where it should continue even lower, at least up to the next two lines, which we have these ones here. So that's my opinion on that instrument. The next symbol is US dollar Japanese yen. On this chart, we're going to switch time frames. So we have a very good support here. This is the place we took a buy from previously. So we had a very good support here. We had a very good support. Those are break. This pullback. We had a pullback. If the price can pull back and touch these two lines, then this is going to be the best place to look for a buy from. So within these two lines is going to be where we're going to look for a buy position from. We are going to expect the price to pull back, touch these two lines. We'll pick a position. Our stop loss is around this line, which is this is let me see, this is this line here. It is sorry, the line is 129.234. So if you pick a buy position from around these two lines, within these two lines, expect the bias to push price upwards, at least up to this level here. but as you can see, the indicator we have on our screen is already showing us, both of them are showing us a sell. So most likely the price may break below this point, then continue downwards. But if that does not happen, then this will give us the best place to look for a buy from. So you may just want to buy it if the price gets to somewhere between those two lines. You may want to pick a buy position. We are expecting the buyers to push us upwards. My next instrument I want us to look at is gold. So on gold, so far it looks like the price is bearish, but we've had a very good pullback. So I'm saying it's bearish. If you look at it from this point, you can see we had a very good downtrend from this when the price broke below this level here. When the price went below this level, we have been in a very good downtrend. So this has been a very good downtrend. Currently the price is showing us a sign that maybe we could head upwards, but I'm not going to recommend a buy position unless the price clearly breaks above this level here. Let me draw it. So we do have some line here, this level here. So unless the price clearly breaks and closes above this line, we have a support, there is this support, there is a break, we have a resistance here. So unless the price clearly breaks above these two lines and continue upwards, this is going to be the best place to look for a sell from. So we're going to be expecting the sellers to dominate around this area, at least up to this point, so that the price may likely continue as a short. So this here will be the place you want to pick a sell from. Have your stop loss above this red wick candle, which is above this point. Expect the sellers to push price at least up to this point here. So the next instrument is the SP500. So with the SP500 this year, for the entire year for this year, we've seen the price pull back. We've seen a lot of bearish pullback. If you check the monthly chart, you can see and the weekly chart, you can see that we've seen a very good pullback. We had a similar pullback. This was in 2020. We had a pullback. 2022 we also have a very good pullback. So we are basically expecting the price to ascend beyond this line, which is 47.93.5. If the price goes up and breaks beyond this level, then during the coming year we expect a continuation to the upper side. We expect the buyers to continue to push price much higher. So we expect the price to go at least up to around 5,000. But if the price does not do that, that is in case it fails to hit this level and instead breaks below 3781.9, then this will be the best place to look for another sell from. The next instrument I want us to look at, Brent oil. So with Brent oil so far, we are having a very good shape. So we have a level there, like a very good move trend line. We have another one, and then we have another shape here, and then you have another one like this. So as it is right now, the price is within a descending channel formation, which means we are expecting a buy from the trend line at the bottom, we are expecting a sell from the trend line at the top. So this will be a good place, to look for a buy from, and the line at the top will be a good place to look for a sell from. So you either wait and buy it when the price touches this line, or you can wait and sell it when the price touches the line at the top. In case the price breaks below the line at the bottom, we expect it to continue downwards. It should continue and break below this point, where we expect it to continue bearish at least up to around 68.480. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you and see you.